Hi guys, welcome to MakeupClasses.com. I'm Dawn Maloney and today is Makeup Tip Monday, number 7. If your client has dry lips and applying lip liner is a challenge, try dipping your liner into lip gloss. This will help your liner glide on smoothly. This technique also saves time because the liner instantly becomes a lip gloss applicator. Keep dipping the liner into the gloss and apply over the entire lip area. I really love this makeup tip, makeup artist, because it solves 2 dilemmas. If I'm rushing and I'm working on set and I have to get the lips done very quickly, this is a time saver. And also, if my client has very dry lips, this assists me in applying the lip liner smoothly. So basically what I do is I take my lip liner. By the way, this is the Makeup Studio collection in the color Bashful. I love this color because it's a beautiful nude and it's so perfect. It goes on everybody so great. This is our Lumi Shine lip gloss in the color Strawberry Cream. That's what I'm using today. I absolutely love this color. It's just so creamy and luxurious, and it matches up so well with that Bashful lip liner. So I take my lip liner and then I have my lip gloss on my palette, and what I do is I literally use this as a applicator. So I just dip right in with the lip liner. I go right into my lip gloss and then I start applying from there. And then I just move really quickly and smoothly. Wow. And I have some dry lips right now, so this really just glides on so quickly and easily. And then you could just go over the entire lip and color in. And then if you need more gloss, just dip in and go back and add. This is a great trick, guys, especially when you're working on set and you're so pressed for time. It's a really great way to apply the lip super quick. And if your client has really chapped, dry lips, this will help the lip liner glide, especially pencil liners. They tend to be a little bit drier, so this allows that pencil liner to just slip right through. Then after I'm done using this, I wipe it clean with alcohol, sharpen it, and then I wipe it clean again with 99% alcohol. Well guys, I hope today's Makeup Tip Monday helps. Remember to like, subscribe to this channel. We want you to be part of this growing family here on YouTube. I'll see you next time on MakeupClasses.com.